Y'all told me this stuff was cheap. Y'all be lying, man. Y'all be lying. No cap. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Reviews by KJ, and we back at it again with another video, man. We got the crickets in the background, but we doing a box Chevy LS update. I'm about to put the headers on. I got the valve cover painted, and I got a new throttle body from the junkyard. Drive-by cable. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so first off, let me show y'all my box Chevy. It's a 1986 Chevy Caprice Classic Broham. Got the glass, not glass. Got the gas tank back there. Got my chocks in because I have no brakes or anything. Well, I have brakes, but nothing else. But yeah, that's the inside. Like I said, it's Broham. Still need a lot of work in there. Got the hood off, ready for the LS swap. So check it out. But yeah, so I got the valve covers painted red. Not sure what else I'm gonna paint red yet, but we're about to slap these headers on. And I got an LS1 throttle body drive-by cable. I gotta take off. I gotta get that paint off of there because I thought it was a good idea to put that paint on there. But as you can see, I got it clean. It was pretty caked up, but man, let me tell you what worked. And I also got me an intake. It looked like it's gonna be out the way, so check it out. So I got it because it looked like it'd fit with the electric fans and everything. It looked like there should be enough space right there. But yeah, how I got the throttle body so clean, I use this right here, super clean. It really eats up that dirt and grime. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get these headers installed. And we're gonna get the ball rolling, man. I ain't got time to be playing around, so let's get it. Y'all stay tuned. Check it out. Not too bad, not too bad. I'll probably go ahead and do a little wipe down. But the super clean got it pretty clean on the sides, man, so can't complain. That's what my old one looked like. My old manifold. Look at the new header. That's the passenger side. I'm doing the driver's side right now, so I'm gonna wipe this down. I might as well go ahead and change out these spark plugs while I'm here. I already got the new spark plugs. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna install the new one, man. Let's get it. I don't know who noticed this on the first go round, but man, I just realized one of the header bolts actually snapped in there. I was wondering why it wasn't one back here, but now it makes sense. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get this out, either drill it out or what. If you got any tips, let me know. But it is what it is, man, part of the game. I did clean it up a little bit more. I just couldn't get this little bit of gunk off, but the header gonna sit right on top of that, so it should be fine. They got me. They got me with that broken stud. It's crazy. We're gonna get it right though. Ooh, we making progress. Them spark plugs actually look easy to get to now, so shouldn't be a big deal to change them out a little later, because I'm about to get ready to go somewhere. But I didn't tell y'all in the beginning, these are the S10 headers. I had to use my factory bolts because the bolts it came with, these right here, I guess it's meant for a different type of motor. But yeah, these didn't work when I bought them. So I got this off of eBay, but you can probably pick these up off of Amazon. I could drop the link, just let me know. These bolts actually fit right here, which is weird. They fit right here instead of in the other hole. So I don't know. I mean, that'd be a good lifting point to move the engine and stuff, but yeah, that didn't work. And hopefully I'm gonna test it out, because I'm not a machinist or anything, so that one that's missing right there, I really don't know how to get it out. I'm gonna have to look up a YouTube video or something, but it is what it is. Now I'm about to let y'all see it from the front. Thing looking like a real race car now, boy. Real race car. Let's go. Let me do this side over here. We're gonna be in the game. And I need to lift the engine up eventually. Lift the engine up, and I gotta put the oil pan on. That's my oil pan right here. This is the muscle car oil pan. It's a little lift tube and everything. But yeah, I gotta put this on too. And I got another throttle body if anybody want to buy it. I just went ahead and grabbed it. $100. $100, I'll sell it. But yeah, man, that thing look like a race car now. Gotta get these out of here. I'm about to just trash those. I was gonna try to sell it, but people offer up and Facebook Marketplace, man, that stuff, it'll wear you out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that header on that side, and I'm gonna throw my LS1. See right there, LS1. I'm gonna put the LS1 throttle body on that bad boy. I'm gonna call it a day. Then I'll probably just throw some black paint right here. Throw some black paint on that just to clean it up. Yes, sir. We making progress. Big 5.3. All right, y'all. We got issues, man. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to install the headers because that one broken off and that one broken off. So I got 3 broken off studs. So I'm about to have to look up some videos and find out how to put them things back on. But I don't even know if I should go ahead and put it on now just to have it in place, just to make it look good. It's not even worth it. But I cleaned up this little surface area over here. I'm about to look up the videos. I'm gonna take a break. Step over this stuff. I'm gonna take a break, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my throttle body on just to finish finish it off or whatever. But this engine came a long way, man. Whole engine was same color as that intake, black. So all this was black and everything. The head's black. I'm talking about grime everywhere. The valve covers was super black. I got those cleaned and painted. And with the headers on there, they look good though. But yeah, let me get this on and then we're probably gonna have to call it a day.
So we're gonna extract broken head bolts that are stuck in the heads when you get these things from the junkyards. So the easy way is you take an old nut and you put it over the broken bolt and you weld in the middle of it. So you weld the nut to the broken bolt and you use a wrench to take it off.
All right, let's do it.
Simple.
Guys, we back. Hey, shout out to Matt and Sam for helping me out with these heads because I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was gonna just try to extract them with like a bolt extractor or something like that, but they told me it didn't really work. I'm pretty sure it'll work eventually, but I probably end up doing more damage than anything. So I wasn't planning on doing this, but here go my heads right here. So my heads are off. I'm gonna get them cleaned up. I got stuff everywhere now, man. I got the headers back off because let me see if you can see it on this side. Yep, so as you can see, everything been removed. Everything clean now. All the bolts out. Now I can put my headers on. I'm gonna get some new headers. Not new headers, new header bolts. I'm gonna get new bolts for my heads. So you can see my channel and everything now, my little valley channel, whatever they call it. That's there. I gotta clean out the engine, make it look a little better. So I heard to tell if it's a 5.3, they had that ridge right there, so I guess it is a true 5.3. If not, I need to do some research. But yeah, we got everything off. I might as well, let me know what y'all think. I might as well put a cam in it. I already got it broken down now, so might as well go cam. Also, I got the intake off, and I ran into issues on the intake. So if anybody else ran into this issue, let me know. But that little piece right there, you see the little piece that's right there at the tip, that hits on the throttle body when I try to do it, when I try to take it off. When I try to put it on. So this right here hitting that little piece over there. So let me know if anybody ran into that issue. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up because this is the second day. I got the coveralls on today. You see the coveralls. So I'm making progress still. I didn't want to break this motor down to this extent, but at least I know what I'm working with now. So I'll go ahead and, oh yeah, so this is the piece that they use, well, one of the nuts that they use, but you can see where they welded it. I need to cut my nails, but you see where they welded it and took it off? Pretty much was sitting in here like this. It wasn't, you know, it was off in there. How long it is, that's how far it was in there. They welded that nut on there and then they bagged it out with a wrench. But I'm gonna cover all of this stuff up. I'm gonna cover all of this up. And we gotta order some gaskets. We gotta order all types of stuff. Gaskets, bolts. Man, y'all told me this stuff was cheap. Y'all be lying, man. Y'all be lying, no cap. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'll let y'all.